Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Homemade Happiness. Hello, my beautiful people. Hope you all are doing good. I am doing wonderful as well. So, today I started my vlogging at 5 o'clock in the evening. We just did our everyday activity and it's time for the snacks. So, today I'm cutting the watermelon for the snack. Riza and Ali loves having watermelons in the snack pretty much every day. Meanwhile, Riza and Ali having this snack, I started looking at my YouTube and did some editing, replying to the comments, did most of the things that I have to get done. And then I did a little bit of cleaning here and there. I put back the dishes from the dishwasher and did all the cleaning from the living room. So for the dinner today, I have already planned to make paneer butter masala and roti. So here I am using the frozen paneer. A quick tip here is if you are using the frozen paneer, just soak it in the warm water with a pinch of salt and it'll make your paneer a lot softer than it was. Meanwhile, the paneer is soaking. I started to get the ingredients ready for paneer butter masala. To begin with, I started chopping the onions and tomatoes. Then heat your pan very nicely and add 2 to 3 spoons of oil into that. Once the oil is nice and heat, you're gonna be adding 3 to 4 cardamom, bay leaves and dried red chilies and star flour. You're gonna be cooking it for about half a minute and then add in your onions and cook it for about 2 minutes until the onions are transparent. And you're gonna be adding your chopped tomatoes. Don't have to be chopped very small, it can be very rough because you're gonna be blending all the mixture at the end. Once the onions and tomatoes are cooked for about 1 minute, you're gonna be adding your red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt and cumin powder. Cook that mixture until it's smooth and not raw anymore. And then my onions and tomatoes are ready for blending. I keep it for cool down for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I went for Maghrib namaz. And then when I came back, I cut the paneer into long stripes and then I let it soak again until it turns really soft. And then I started to blend my onions and tomatoes into the smooth paste. Once our tomato and onion paste is ready, I am going to fry the paneer strips into the pan. I add 1 spoon of oil into the tawa and fry the paneer until it's golden brown. Meanwhile, I also started to cook onions and tomatoes for a little bit. Then once my paneer is all fried, I took them off. And then I cut my paneer strips into the small cubes. Meanwhile, I check back on my onions and tomato paste. If required, you can always add in more salt and red chili powder. And then I add half a spoon of garam masala powder, add the cubes of paneer, and then cook it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, uncover the lid, and there you go. Your recipe is all ready. You're gonna be adding your cilantro, green chilies on top of that. And that's it. The paneer is ready to be served. For the perfect combination, I am going to top the paneer with some fresh butter. Once I served Riza and Ali their dinner, I started to make more rotis for Zach and myself. And that was the end of today's video, guys. I really hope you liked today's video. If you did, give me a like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. And yeah, I'll see you guys very soon in my next video.